An electrical short in your car can cause blown fuses, battery drain, or malfunctioning electronics. Finding the short might seem tricky, but with a few tools and some careful steps, you can track it down and fix it. First, make sure your car battery is fully charged. Take a multimeter and connect the black lead to the common port, and the red lead to the voltage port. Set the meter to 20 volts DC. Then connect the red lead to the positive battery terminal, and the black lead to the negative terminal. A good battery should show between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. If the voltage is low, the battery needs to be charged. After charging the battery, turn off everything in the car. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Set the multimeter to 10 amps and move the red lead to the 10A port. Now connect the multimeter to the battery's terminals. This will show how much current is being drawn from the battery. A normal current draw is about 35 to 50 milliamps. If the reading is high, like 1.3 amps, something is draining the battery. To find out what it is, pull out one fuse at a time and watch the multimeter. When the number drops, the fuse you pulled is connected to the problem. Look at the fuse box diagram to see what that fuse is causing problem. If the fuse is for the radio, disconnect it and check the reading. If it drops, the radio is faulty. If not, the wiring to the radio may be damaged. Check your fuse box, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Look for any blown fuses. A blown fuse will have a broken metal strip inside. Replace it with one of the same type. If the new fuse blows again, there is probably a short in that circuit. Use a test light to check for a short. Connect the test light to the fuse slot of the circuit you want to test. If the test light turns on, it means power is flowing through the circuit. Then, unplug parts or wires in that circuit one at a time. When the light turns off, you have found the part that is causing the short. After finding and fixing the short, make sure everything works properly. Fixing electrical shorts not only solves the problem, but also keeps your vehicle safe. If you are not sure about any step, or the problem continues, it is best to take your car to a professional mechanic.